Is the O-1 visa becoming the new way to bypass the H-1B system? A major debate is heating up in the U.S., as some groups claim that Indian professionals are increasingly using the O-1A visa as an alternative to the H-1B route. The controversy has intensified after reports suggested that some consultancies are promoting the O-1A as a way to avoid the uncertainty of the H-1B lottery. The O-1A visa is designed for individuals with extraordinary ability in fields like science, business, education, or athletics. Unlike the H-1B, it does not rely on a lottery system, but requires strong evidence such as awards, published work, or major contributions. Applicants must meet strict criteria and prove national or international recognition. However, critics argue that this pathway is being misused, with strong reactions emerging online and calls for tighter visa restrictions. At the same time, experts say the rise in O-1A applications is directly linked to recent H-1B changes, including higher fees, wage-based selection, and stricter policies. The O-1 visa offers key advantages. It allows up to 3 years of stay, unlimited extensions, and reportedly high approval rates. Some companies are also shifting from H-1B filings to extraordinary talent visas to avoid uncertainty. But here's the reality: while the O-1A is a powerful option, it is not easy to qualify. It remains a high-standard visa meant only for top talent, not a shortcut.